Alright, welcome back to another video. Right here, we got a new member to my collection. This is Sig 365XL. Actually, I picked this up today. I actually wanted a handgun that has a smaller footprint, especially I've been carrying originally the macro. Unload it, take my rounds out. This was my daily carry. It feels real good in the hands, but I didn't feel comfortable concealing it just because I like to conceal appendix, and this handle right here used to bother me so much that what I did was I stopped concealing it. And look at the difference between the handle width or length, the handle length. Then I started carrying this on the regular. This became my EDC, which is Glock 43X MOS. This feels super duper comfortable. This is also loaded. Nothing in the chamber. I've been carrying this for the most part. This feels super duper comfortable. So this has been my daily carry. However, I love the way the Sig shoots. They shoot so flat and the recoil is great. So I wanted to upgrade. So what I did, or I wanted to get the XL. This is the XL, but I notice now the XLs just have an X on it. There's no L's there. But it is an XL, at least it says that on the box. And the barrel, everything matches. I like the fact that now the optic is not a part of the rear sight. You can have an optic and a rear sight, either one. So I really like that. I am gonna put an optic on it. I'm gonna put one of these on, which is the EPS carry. I love EPS carry. Put this one on. And that's pretty much it. So I can't wait to get this to the range. Before I start carrying it, I'm gonna take it out to the range, put a few hundred rounds through it, put my favorite ammo through it, which is the critical defense, and after that I'm gonna see how it works out. But this firearm is very, very comfortable. Take the flag out. All right, everyone, catch you on the next video, and it's about that time to go to the range before I start carrying it. Peace.